What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what type of news we should expect in order to see next movement to the upside. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we have completed all 5 wave structure inside our 5th wave right here, and this 5th wave implies the completion of the movement from this bottom to this top. And I was wrong, I have to admit, and for now we had this movement to the upside that was quite significant, I have to say. But the real reason for this movement to the upside wasn't the fundamental news related to this company. It was the movement from the retail community that drives the price of this company higher. And I have to say that for now this breakdown is irrelevant and we cannot have, let me delete this tool, and let me delete this tool as well. And we cannot have this movement to the upside as a 5 wave structure like this, because we have the 3rd wave at the middle of this movement, that is shorter than 1st wave and 5th wave. And according to Elliott wave theory, it is the main rule that 3rd wave cannot be the shortest, and that's why we cannot count on this movement to the upside as our 5th wave. So how can we count this movement and what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you the total sentiment of the market. And as you can see, S&P 500 lost about 0.04%, Dow Jones lost about 0.58%, Nasdaq lost about 0.4%, and Russell 2000 lost almost 1%. And let me quote you this. Stocks fell on Monday to give back some gains after last week's advances, while energy prices resumed a march higher. The S&P 500, Dow and Nasdaq traded lower on Monday afternoon in a choppy session. The major indexes extended losses after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said the Fed would adjust policy as needed to bring down inflation, including by speeding up interest rate hikes if necessary. Treasury yields added to earlier gains across the curve, and the benchmark 10-year yield rose to near 2.3%. US crude oil prices jumped more than 6% at session highs to top $112 per barrel, and Brent crude, the international standard, rose to more than $116 per barrel. Aluminum, palladium and wheat prices each also gained Monday. So we have basically a red day on the stock market, but we have several stocks that are the gainers during these choppy movements, and one of them is definitely the MULN stock. And what was the reason of this movement? Let me show you that on Stock Tweets community, MULN ticker symbol is on the 2nd place in watchers section, and in the most active section it is on the 1st place. It has a huge support from this community. On top of that, let me show you that on appwisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity of Wall Street Bets community related to certain stocks, Mullen Automotive is on the 2nd place right after S&P 500 ETF Trust, and it gained 1 row, and technically it is the best stock for now, and it outperforms even a GameStop company. And this means it has a huge support from retail community, but this support might disappear in just a second. And let me show you some fundamentals related to this company. Right here, as you can see, we are on thestreet.com, and let me quote you this information. MULN shares behaved much like a meme stock during late February and the first couple weeks of March. However, the stock's surge does seem to be at least partially grounded in fundamentals. That's a departure from the normal meme stock trend, which sees shares move solely thanks to buzz, momentum or short squeeze potential. Renewed focus on MULN has been driven by the company's announcement regarding the development of next-generation solid-state polymer batteries Mullen says its technology is a major advance over the current lineup of lithium-ion batteries available for EVs today. The stock was also put on many investors' radars at the end of February when CarBuzz magazine priced Mullen's 5 model in one of its articles. According to the article, even though Mullen is a company with a market cap of less than $100 million, it is the real deal. The authors believe Mullen's vehicle can stand up to models from EV giants such as Tesla, Rivian and Lucid, which currently spot market caps of $925 billion, $40 billion and $42 billion respectively. Since receiving this positive press, Mullen stock has recorded a very significant daily trading volume based on its modest float. The average trading volume over the last 10 days was recorded at almost 250 million per day, while Mullen's float is only 4.53 million. So definitely it is a huge support from social medias. On top of CarBuzz, we had the Yahoo Finance Live who reviewed this stock and definitely who gives more power to its movement to the upside. And let me show you the short interest of this company. According to fintel.io, for now it has 3 million shares available for shorting, and the short borrow fee rate is 12.93. I have to admit that previously it had only 1.8 million shares available, and the short borrow fee rate was slightly above 13%. Definitely with this amount of shares available for shorting, we cannot count on the next leg to the upside as a short squeeze. And from the official website, as you can see, this company didn't publish any more news related to their activity, and this means we have only one catalyst that might drive the price of this company either way, and it is a stock tweets community and Wall Street bets community. That's why we have to be extremely cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, how can we count this movement to the upside? In my opinion, for now we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth and fifth. And it is internal third wave. It is not the best one, but we didn't overlap the territory of the first one with the movement, with the retracement in the fourth one. And this internal third wave implies next count on a bigger scale. We have, this is our first wave, second, this entire wave is the third one, fourth and fifth. And I have to upgrade this scale. And definitely we complete the entire structure when we hit this range. And I have to say that you cannot catch all of the movements of certain stock, and that's why you have to rely only on the high probability trades. And I have to say that my previous call was from this range, from roughly $1.8 or even lower, from this range of $1.54 support. And my main target was right here at this very point, and it is more than 70% of potential profits. So congratulations to all of you who took this call and who made these profits. And let me show you that for now, if I zoom out a little bit and I will show you some indicators, we have bearish divergence on RSI on a 30 minutes time frame, and bearish divergence means that we might have the trend reversal. And let's switch to hourly time frame. We also have the same divergence. We have lower highs on our side with the higher highs on the price action. 4 hours time frame. We don't have the bearish divergence yet, but we have this pattern, and it is the channel, some kind of channel, and it is a rising channel that usually breaks to the downside. It is not 100% guaranteed, but if and when it will break to the downside, it will lead to much lower price action. On top of that, let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its swing high in November 2021 to its swing low, right here, as you can see, we hit exactly $4.15. It is the retracement range of 0.236, and let me show you this range in details. Let me switch to 30 minutes time frame again. As you can see, we hit it to the tick with the top of our fifth wave, and technically from this range we might have a trend reversal, and this trend reversal might be massive. So I have to say that for now, from the technical standpoint, I can see more signs of the movement to the downside, but I might be wrong, and we might have the next leg to the upside only with the support of retail community from stocktweets.com and Wall Street Bets communities. Definitely, these two communities are extremely powerful because it has a lot of members, and I have to say that this company has a very low market cap. This means huge volatility might be very expectable during the next leg. But in my opinion, we still have more chances to hit lower targets. That's why I don't suggest you to enter any of long position with this asset. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.